out there by yourself. This way, you can, mate. Right, on the whistle, mate. Your way, Sam. Yeah. All good. Step on the ball! Roll out! Here's 10, hold 9, go. 1. 8, clear the ball on the line 13, hold, go 2. 16 and 9 together, here we are 13, hold, go 3. 11, get your arms involved. Shoulder charge. Number 11, shoulder charge. I said wait. Wait! Back you go. Here we are, here's 10. On the foot. Yeah, mate. 9 off the ball. Here's 10. Hold. Go. 1. 11, roll out. Here we are, hold. Go. 2. 8, straight away. Hold. Go. 3. No, fine. Up now. Here I am. Become a 9, hold. Go. 4. Good. Chase her on. Lock on. First one, then second one. Goal line drop out. First, second. Happy? Goal line. Step. Have a step winger. Have a step here. Ball goes first. 16. Here's 10. Hold. Hold. Go. 1. Clear 6. Here I am. Hold. And go. 2. 7. 7. Clear leg. Here we are. 12. Not a marker. Play that. Release now. Here's 0. 13 up. Line. Hold. Go. 1. Forward. Forward pass. Thanks, mate. Forward pass. Drums here. Forward pass. Just in front of me here, boys. Yeah, boys, just on the red line. Just in front of me, mate. I'll tell you in the feet, mate. Not cross over me. Front row, stay up, your lock to bind. Second row, locks all the way in. Push your lock for me, mate. Right beside him. Heads in. Second row, locks in. Bind together. 2 feet facing the sideline. 2 hands on the ball. Let's feed. In. Break! 6 up you get. Here's 10. Hold. Go. 1. 18. Square now. Here's hold. 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 Go. 2. Play on. 11. Yeah. Go. 3. Nine, straight away! Hold! Go, 4. 5 last up, 5! Hold! Go, last. All good, all good. Come back. Coming up, boys, coming up. Up you get 9. Beside me. Beside me. Hold. Go. 1. Up now. Hold. Go. 2. Hands off 12. Here I am. Go. 3. Fine. Playing through. 16 clear. Hold. Go. 4. Last one, up you get 9. 13 here, hold. Go last. That side good. Thank you. No. 4, stand up. 4. Back you go. Don't crawl forward. 9 step. Go. 1. 9 off legs. Here's 10, hold. Go. 2. 18 stand. Here I am, hold. Go. 3. 3 up. Here we are, Wynnum. Hold. Go. 4. Last one up you get. Last. That's so good. Thank you. Take it slow. Off now, 7. Sorry, mate. Here we are. 12. Here's 10 metres, hold. Go. 2. No, 9 clear. Hold. Go. 3. 11 square now. Here's 10 metres. Hold. Go. 4. 16 early. Good 16. On 10 metres. 5 last release. Ball carrying arm. Last buckle. Change over right there. Wait. Wait. Here's 10 metres. Beside me, 3. Play the ball. Go. You're a tackle. No tackle, no tackle. Hold there, 5 release. Hold. Go. 1. No, no control of the ball. No control. Here we are. Here we are. So, mate, second rise block heads in. With your lock. Feet facing sideline, mate. Let's go, ball in. In. Break! 13 stand! Here I am. Hold. Go. 1. 6 stand up. Go. 2. 12 off legs. Here's 10 metres. Out. Into touch. Hand over 20 metres in. Hand overs in here. Just here for marker for me, mate. 20 metres in. Marker, mate. Just behind the line, boys. Here I am, 3. Just behind the line, 10. 10. 10, have a look. 3 early. Yeah, mate, you're right in front of me. 13. Here I am. Hold. Go. 1. Clear. Now 12. Here I am. Hold. Go. 2. Run. Clear him now. Hold. Go. 3. Play on. Good touch. Third line, Jack? Yeah. Play the ball, mate. 20 in, wait. On the line. Play the ball, no tackle. Stand now 9 and square. Here's 10 metres, hold. Beside me, 8 beside me. 8 early. Now 8. Up 13. Here 9, 9. Good. 2. 13 off the ball. Hold. Go. 3. Keep going. Knock on. Knock on. I was right in line with it, mate. Right in line with it. Just drum here. Knock on. Carina speed. Back yourself there. Red line. Heads in. Stay in the feet, mate. Pick your lock for me, mate. Feet facing the sideline. No, feet facing the sideline. Square up. Yep. There we go. Fall in. Break! Touch! Bang on! Touch. Right, all in the air. All good. All in the air. All good. Happy. Touched. 0 tackle. Fucking Bowden crew behind us or what? Moving. Now. No. Ball goes first! Let's go, lads! Nine and 11, square now! Here's 10, hold. Go, 1. No. Clear 11! Hold. Go, 2. That's fine, up you get! Hold. Go, 3, play it square. Strong. Set up now, Wynnum! Here's 10 metres, 5 early! Go, 4. Up now, 9, last one! All the way, 18. Go, fast. First time, good. Thank you. 8, hands off! Here we are, hold. Hold. Go, 1. Gone. Hold! Release 9! Back you go! You're working the marker! Go, 3. Hold! Release ball. 5 last, 9 up. That's the ball, that's the ball. Play on. Still there. Side good. Thank you. 9, release legs. All the way here, hold. Go, 1. Up now. Here's 10 metres, hold. Go, 2. 5, never on 10. Number 5, never made 10 metres. Number 5. Lucky, mate. I'll get it, I'll get it. Stay behind. Halfway. In 10 metres, here we are, Wynnum, all the way. 15 on side, 15. Go. Right. 12 off the ball. 1 foot. Hold. Yeah, 1. Five up. Hold. Yeah, 2. Touch. Right, yeah. Touch first by Wynnum. Touch off Wynnum? Yeah, touch first. Touch! Handovers in here. Yeah. Handover, mate, into touch. In there, mate. Mum's a touch. Play the ball. There, ball. Touch by Wynnum. Roll the ball, mate. No, into touch. Have a look here, Wynnum! Left side, here! Play the ball. Up now, 11! Hold. Go, 1. Come on, go. 4, standing! Hold. Go, 2. 10, release! Hold. Go, 3. 18 now! Hold. Go, 4. Short, last one! No, mate, arms were there. Wait, right there. Right there, wait. Back you go, no! Don't walk forward. I'll tell you when no. You kept walking. Here, have a look. Here, 11. Play the ball. No, he's walking. Sort of his own 10. Clear him now, 10! Hold, go. 1. 11, stand! Here and hold, hold. Go. 2. Shoulder charge. Good call, mate. Good call. On the shoulder, mate. Get your arms involved in the tackle. Shoulder charge. Shoulder charge. What are you doing, mate? Tapping. 10 metres! When you're ready, mate. Go! 10's good. Thanks, mate. Off now! Here's 10 metres. Hold. Go. 1. Clear now! No. Go, 2. Up 13 and square. 10 metres is here. Hold. Go, 3. Hold! Release! Go, 4. Keep going. 5 last, up again! Fine. dead. Goal line drop out. Ball taken dead. Thanks, Sam. On the line. Grab on! Strong. Up now, Marcus. Don't come back over top of the rock, 13. Off to the side. Off to the side. 10 metres. Go. Thanks, mate. Strong. Up now, don't work him. Go. 1. Go. All good. Thanks, Jen. Just in line with me, 11. Yep. Thanks, mate. Very. Mate. All good, boys. Anything to look at?
Nah, keep going, mate.
Yeah, no, all good.
Now.
Keep it up, boys. Keep the hook up. Okay. Yep. Go like that. Yep. Come here on here, boys. Ball goes first. 10 metres is here, hold. Go, 1. Eight, clear. Here's 10 metres, hold. Go, 2.
No.
Thanks, bro. 9, clear. Here I am, here's 10, hold. Go, 3. 13, square. Hold 10, hold. Go, 4. Outside.
Left side good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hand over. Play the ball, mate. He's outside. On 20 cross. On the 20 metres. 20 by 20, mate. Hold here. No tackle. Play the ball with your foot. Okay. No tackle. 5 and 3. Square together. Here's 10. Hold. Go. 1. 11. Stand. Hold. Go. 2. 16, square now. Hold. Go. 3. 18 up. Go, 4. No control, gone to offload the ball. No, mate, you went to offload it. Yeah. On the 20. I'll tell you when to feed it, mate. Just wait too long. Second row's locked, heads in. Go right there. Hold here. Bind together. Front row's blind. You're outside, legs up. No, other way. Other leg, other way around. Yep, there we go. In. Big! 1 and 7 now! Hold. Go. 1. Strip, playing on. This is 0 coming. Hold! Release him! Hold! Go, 0. Straight away, 9! Hold! Go, 2. No, he's running a line. We're in now! Hold! Go, 3. Wingers offside. Play that! Pushing a player off the ball. You can't push the player off the ball to get to the ball. What are you going to do, mate? 10 metres. Let's go, 5. Go! Straight away! Go, 1. Knock on. Knock on. Sorry. Out here, boys. Just here in front of me, mate. Head in. Rightio, ball in. Cutting, Sam. Up now! You're 18, hold. Go 1. No, playing on. That's good. Release. Climb off. Ball down. 12 and captain out here, thank you. Number 12, you picked him up off the ground, you come straight back on his head. It's on report. Number 12. Come on, it's on report. Time on. Dangerous contact on the ground. Halfway. Here we are, boys, halfway. Halfway here, hold! Hold! Yeah. No. 7 up now! On his leg. No, mate, not a quick one. Yeah, you ready? Go! Straight away, 16! Hold! Yeah, 1. 3 together, Wynnum! Here we are, 18. Go, 2. Off him now! Here, 18, here, 18. 18 early! 3. Release, 18, right beside me. Hold. Go, 4. No, don't play for that. Last one! Stand! Hold. Go, last one. When you're good, too good here. Kept it in. Yeah, I knocked back into the foot. Yeah. All good. Thank you. Into the foot. Just ignore the men, you don't have to look at them.